morning, pot pickers. We're going to go for a little byway ride, or that is the plan. But unfortunately, somebody said there was a petrol shortage, so all the dickheads have gone out panic buying fuel. There wasn't a petrol shortage. 100 BP garages had a driver shortage. So now all the fucking idiots have been queuing up for hours to go and get some petrol that they probably don't fucking need. So I can't go and get the 4 or 5 litres that I need for my day out today. I've been feeling shit for a couple of days. So I thought I'd take some tablets, go out for a little ride on the bike. Which ironically, the car's decided to start overflowing. So, it's Sunday morning. Let's see how many arseholes are queuing for fuel for about the 3rd day running, shall we? Great road positioning, mate. What a bunch of arseholes. And I bet if you went over to all them cars, they've all got about half a tank. They're not going anywhere today. So we walk up and down. So where are you going today? How much petrol you got? Honestly. Oh well. Well, that was that then. Looks like none of them ain't going fucking out today, are they? Hey ho. Can, but I doubt if. All the arseholes are going to be queuing everywhere, aren't they? I think there's already been one. Someone was picking something up there. That's right, love. We want petrol to go out for today. Fucking joke, isn't it? Yeah. It's either that, you go up past Texaco, down New Cut and try Tesco's, and come down New Cut and look at Texaco, but I reckon they're all going to be the same. Because the arseholes are in flow.
What's the plan?
You can go up and down that way if you want to, but...
You just shoot down past Texaco.
Can do.
Have a look at Texaco.
I'm probably leaking more than I'm using. I've turned it off. Now I will be. Wankers! Oh well, that was a great petrol hunt over with. Oh well, home I guess. Perhaps I'll just take the carb off the bike as it's doing the dreaded overflow on tick over shit. He was a skater boy. People really are fucking arseholes. Can't believe everybody needs petrol in the last 2 days. Because everyone needs petrol every day. So why all of a sudden does everyone need that much petrol that they got to queue up for it? They don't queue up for it any other fucking day. Honestly. Society is fucked. People are stupid. If they didn't keep panic buying, there would have been enough for everyone. So don't worry, you lot will fill your fucking cars up just to let it sit in your tank all week while you pop to the shop or you pop to the school. I won't have a little ride out on my bike. I won't take 8 litres from the stocks. Fucking hate people. Fucking hell. You having a good day, mate? The chavs are off. Where you going? Go on then. Hey? That's the car wash. Oh well. I might go home and take my carb off. I've got a week off soon. Not this week, next week. I just do lots of biking. I just do lots of biking.
You won't if you ain't got no petrol.
Oh, they'd all fucking finished being dickheads by then, wouldn't they?
Yeah, let's hope so.
Right. Go and have a cup of tea and some chocolate. Good ride out though.
Yeah.
I was going to make you go down that rutted, rooty one today and all, while I stood at the end and watched. Should we go home then?
Might as well.
I'm still in gear.
Maybe I'll see you another time when there is possibility of getting some fuel.
Yeah. Probably. I'm leaking more than I'm getting, using. See you later.